Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set live wallpapers on your Android device. So just long press an empty space on your home screen and here go to the wallpaper. And here you should have live wallpapers option, but if you don't have it, follow these simple steps. Just open the Play Store app and search for Magic Fluid Wallpaper and tap Install. And when installed, tap Open and follow the further instructions in the app. Select the language and then tap to proceed. So when you are on the homepage of the app, select the wallpaper you want to choose and then skip all of the ads and then tap OK, then set as wallpaper, then again tap OK, apply, and then again apply, and now you should have live wallpapers. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.